Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a video clip black and white in CapCut. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to make a video clip black and white in CapCut. When you are here in CapCut, just add the video to the timeline. After that, click Filters. And then in the search bar just type black and white, and you will see here BW3, BW1 and BW2. Okay, now just select and you can preview. Okay, now for example BW3, it's look like this, and here BW1, it's look like this, and here BW2. Okay, now if you like BW2, then just drag and drop it on the clip. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to make a video clip black and white in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.